Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Narayan and I'm pursuing BA LLB from UPES and I'm in my fourth year. And today's topic, and today's for this video, my topic is maintenance under CRPC. Before beginning, I like to say that this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India. And the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Thank you. So let's begin. So, when any person neglects or refuses to maintain wife, children, or parents, then they can claim maintenance by filing an application before the magistrate. Such maintenance is granted at such monthly rate as the magistrate thinks fit. Okay. So Section 125 of the CRPC, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, says that magistrate can order for maintenance of wife, children, and parents. So, if any person who has sufficient means neglects or refuses to maintain his wife, his wife who is unable to maintain herself, or his legitimate or illegitimate minor child, whether married or not, and who is not able to maintain himself, or his legitimate or illegitimate child who is not a married daughter and who has attained the majority, or if the child is suffering from physical or mental or any sort of abnormality or injury and is unable to maintain himself or herself, then in that case an application can be filed to the magistrate for the maintenance. Now if someone's father or mother is also not able to maintain himself or herself, then a magistrate of the first class, then they can also file an application for the maintenance under the section. Now the magistrate of the first class may, upon proof of such neglect or refusal, order such person to make a monthly allowance for the maintenance of his wife or such child, father or mother, at such monthly rate which shall not exceed 500 rupees in the whole. Now, uh, also the magistrate may order the father of a minor female child to give the maintenance. Now, to make such allowance, the magistrate can order that uh, he has to make allowance until that child attains a maturity. And if the magistrate is satisfied that the husband of such minor child, if married, is not possessed of sufficient means, then also the father has to provide the maintenance. Now, who is minor here? So minor here means a person who, as per the Indian Majority Act 1875, is deemed to not have attained his maturity. Now, what do we mean by wife? The term wife here. So, wife here includes a woman who has been divorced by or has obtained a divorce from her husband and has not remarried. Now, when these allowances shall be payable from the date of the order, or if so ordered, from the date of the application for maintenance. So, there can be two dates from which the allowance can be payable. First, the date of the order, and if in the order it is mentioned that the amount has to payable from the date of the application for maintenance, and from that day only. Now, if any person so ordered feels without sufficient cause to comply with the order, that any such magistrate may, for every breach of the order, issue a warrant for levying the amount due in the manner provided for levying fines, and may sentence that person for the whole or any part of each month's allowances remaining unpaid after the execution of the warrant. So, and the imprisonment can be for 1 month or until payment if it is made sooner. So, but here, no warrant shall be issued for the recovery of any amount due under this section unless application is being made to the court to levy such amount within a period of 1 year from the date on which it became due. Also, if such person if such person offers to maintain his wife on condition of her living with him and she refuses to live with him, then magistrate may consider any grounds of refusal stated by her and may make an order under this section which shall not stand with that such offer. Now, if a husband has contracted marriage with another woman or keeps a mistress, then that shall be considered to be a justified ground for the wife's refusal to live with him. Also, no wife shall be entitled to receive an allowance from her husband under this section if she is living in adultery, or if she, without any sufficient reason, she refuses to live with her husband, or if they are living separately by mutual consent. Also, on proof that that any wife in whose favor an order has been made under this section is living in adultery, or that without sufficient reason she refuses to live with her husband, or that they are living separately by mutual consent, the magistrate can also cancel the order given for the maintenance. Thank you.